Hey folks, a few sprinkles across the valley so far today. That's been just about it as expected. But tonight into tomorrow, your chance of rain is going to be on the increase, and we may see on and off rain much of the day tomorrow. Not a lot out there now, but that's probably going to change. Here's the cloud cover really thickening up. We saw some sunshine early, but now it's just getting kind of dark, and it looks like it ought to rain across a lot of the area. Future Track says it will. Maybe not until after midnight, but once it starts, it's going to be with us. Here's 10 a.m., and you see kind of alternating shades of green, but all of them mean light to moderate rain. And as the day goes on, little yellow, even some orange mixed in. That would signify some heavier rain, at least in spots. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we go to 7, 8 o'clock at night. You do start to see things tapering off by 8 o'clock at night. And by about midnight, looks like most of it's out of here. Clouds linger, perhaps into the pre-dawn hours. But by Sunday afternoon, we're back to sunshine, and that'll help warm temperatures up a little bit. Make Sunday pretty nice, and Monday looks pretty nice as well. But we have to get through a rainy day tomorrow, and given our drought status, that's probably not a bad thing. Let's take a look at how much rain we're talking about. First of all, tonight, not much, but tomorrow during the daytime through 3 o'clock in the afternoon, widespread totals of about a ½ an inch, give or take a little bit. You see about 3/4 in Harlingen, you have 6/10 or so in Raymondville, and the exact totals in any spot, of course, you just kind of go more or less with that. But by the time you look at tomorrow night by midnight, then you're looking at over an inch in some places. I think the lesson behind this is the heaviest rain is going to be in the southeastern part of the valley. Probably Cameron County is where we'll see the most, and then it kind of tapers off as you go back to the northwest. But still about an average of an inch probably, with the lower valley seeing a little more, upper valley probably a little bit less. We've moved the chance up to 80% for tomorrow, and really it's about as close to 100% as it can get, but a couple of the models say a whole lot less rain, but they all say something now. Pre-dawn Sunday, we're talking before the sun comes up, could be something left over, but once the sun comes up, it'll be dry, and then Monday will be dry as well. Temperature-wise, it'll stay cooler because of the clouds and the rain. You know, we warmed up to 70 for a while today, but clouds came in, we cooled back off, and we're in the 60s now valley-wide. Overnight, we'll bottom out around 60 or so. Your evening rain chance about 30%, and then tomorrow it jumps to 80% with temperatures cooling and just staying in the low 60s all day long, 62, 63 or so. That's about it. Normal high is 71. Tomorrow, 63. Sunday, the sun comes back out. We're back to 70, and Monday, back to 76 degrees with plenty of sunshine. So this is a one-day thing. You look for it on the map, you don't see anything. There's no big disturbances or anything at the surface, but in the upper atmosphere, a big trough pushes through. Surface low develops on the coast and pulls away. That gives us a northerly wind on Sunday. It really dries things out as the new high builds in, and once it's here, we see a couple of nice days. Next front due on Tuesday could trigger a shower, and behind it, cooler temperatures once again. So for tonight, 58, mostly cloudy, late night showers, easterly winds. Then tomorrow, cloudy, rainy, breezy, only 63 for a high, east-northeasterly winds at about 10 to 17 miles per hour. Here we go, the next 7 days. 63, 70, 76. Front on Tuesday, we drop back in the 50s. It's cold and windy. We bounce back to 62 on Wednesday. This doesn't look to be a particularly wet period, but spotty drizzles possible. Spotty shower on Thursday, and by Friday, back to 71. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.